Introducing a new and improved experience. We are upgrading our system to deliver a faster, smarter, and more seamless service experience for you. With this enhancement, you will enjoy improved access to your energy usage, convenient self-service options, and a more reliable, user-friendly platform. As part of this upgrade, EKDC will also be launching a customer mobile app designed to give you more control. With the app, you can enjoy remote vending, monitor your energy usage in real time, purchase units with ease, and access innovative solutions anytime, anywhere. Better visibility of your energy consumption, easier service management, and an overall improved experience. We remain committed to delivering a more efficient, transparent, and customer-focused service. EKDC, empowering quality of lives.
Okay, it's another Wednesday, another time for your ever-engaging program, the Power Connect Show. Shebi you know, say when this hour knack, wetin you dey expect? Now that's your midweek tonic now, we will dey always give you. Now that's your midweek tonic, and we don't dey here. And now they talk and say the confidence say you dey there. Now they boost our waiting. Say you dey there. Now ginger for us. My name, you know wetin be na Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke, and I dey on top of this your show, our show, the one where you know as Power Connect Show. You dey call am People's Assembly sometimes. We know am as Power Connect Show. You know one thing wey me no dey do na to come alone on this Naija FM 102.7. I know they like come alone. No, you know say I go dey like I dey always like people with dey, and especially one man where you know as spoker. You there inside house?
Ooh, Baba Ne, I dey with you gingerly, I dey with you jejely, and of course I dey with you electrifically. My own people for us, I trace and greet all of you. My own name no change. My name is David Owoyele. We na sabi as waiting the spoker. Baba, make we enter inside the matter for today now. My body,
make we enter inside.
You know the matter.
But before we enter, you know, so we go do news and tidbit now.
Na so it be.
News and tidbit, when me know where EKDC they talk, now they say, then they say from 1st of June, paper bill go handle for KCG customers. Paper bill go hand. If you be KCG customer and you never do the upgrade where EKDC say make you come do, not be something too difficult. Just go make them know your phone number, your address, and all of that.
Yes, so once and for all.
Say you don't ready for e-billing be that. But if you no do am, no blame anybody who say yawa gas.
People go turn off.
Disconnect you. If yawa gas now you cause harm. So now the for better EKDC they no like say make you wait till say a problem come dey. Say then come disconnect you before you come the rush they come, because if it make you no they get bill. So please, if you be KCG customer, go do the upgrade where they say make contact upgrade. I don't know the grammar where I go use, but anyway, go do the necessary, go do the needful. Now the news and tidbit
be that abi.
But the matter for today. Make we talk about the matter for today. EKDC na one plan where they say now every time that they think about, as then they think about what they go do to improve their services. Now so they still they think about how they go ensure say customer when then they plan all these better things for, then they are alive, then they okay to enjoy their services. I make them, they always talk about safety first, safety in the middle, safety last. Every time na safety. And no matter of safety, we talk today, talking about electrical safety and right of way. Now you talk about today. Talk and say, before I think say now only people where they drive for road, driver where they drive for road. Now then they talk about right of way. I don't know say power line.
It is
get right of way. Today,
so
one man dey inside house we go take us through all of this. And I'm happy to announce to you, our listeners out there, that another Ogbonge person from EKDC, Don de Grando, in person of Mr. Cletus Onyeuko, the HOD, Health, Safety and Environment for EKEDC. Mr. Cletus.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Yes.
Okay. Make we start now, Abi. Okay. It be like say we go before we start. Make we go market to go listen to waiting hours with the message where our sponsors get for us.
Mama Nkechi, why you never pay the transformer money now?
What's transformer money again now? Now we supposed repair transformer?
Yes, now. Engineer John Boo don't talk and say once we pay the money complete, they go feel by waiting they go use they repair the transformer.
Oga Lagbaja, dem don thief your money. Transformer repair na free.
Ewo. Oh yes, EKDC don't talk and say una not supposed pay any staff for any service, whether na transformer repairs or replacement, abi na meter purchase or installation, or na to solve any other small electricity issue. All of them na free. If any staff say make you pay am for any of our service, make you report am sharply. Send mail to whistleblower@ekdp.com or call us on 0800-003-3333. Shine your eye, make you no fall victim. A Go Electricity Distribution Company. Now then we empower quality of lives.
Yes, it's your program, the Power Connect Show. If you are just joining us, it's happening on Nigeria FM 102.7 with your regular hosts, ABC Adegoke and Spoker. And today we will talk about electrical safety and right of way. I have someone in the house wey sabi, na person wey sabi the matter very well. Name, don't mention the name, but if you just call me name again, I know hard me to mention his name again. His name na Cletus Onyeuko, and na him be the HOD, Health, Safety and Environment for EKEDC. Now the matter of safety we want to talk about today: safety, electrical safety, and right of way. Make we just enter the show now. Make we dey okay. Waiting this when we dey talk of electrical safety. Waiting we dey talk about when we dey talk of right of way. You know, so I just mentioned. I'm saying me. I dey think say now people wey dey drive for road they talk about right of way. I don't know. Say power line too. They get right of way. Waiting this thing mean now. Make you explain to our people wey dey inside house.
Thank you very much, our listeners. Electrical safety simply means protecting people, property, equipment from dangers of electricity. You know, this electricity we are talking about is a very good servant, but when you use it another way around, it becomes a bad master. So that is why we normally talk of electrical safety to ensure that people know the basic rules and procedures on how to use them, because once you go contrary to the usage procedures, it will become a bad master. So that is what we mean by electrical safety. We need to ensure that you are protected, people are protected, the property, equipment are protected from dangers of electricity, because there's a lot of dangers posed by electricity, which we are going to mention today. Then talking about right of way, like the last speaker said, right of way, there's right of way for power line, there's right of way for utilities, but what we are talking here is right of way for power lines. That means the corridor where they carry electricity pass. You see in your area, you see pole, you see wire, that line, you call it power line corridor. So it is expected that people are not allowed to build or stay under it, or build structures or near it, or even market women trading under it, because that wire, you know, it's a man-made. It can cut at any time. It's not our wish that the wire should cut. We'll do every necessary thing we do as a company to ensure that it doesn't cut, because the moment that wire comes down, it causes a lot of dangers. That the dangers you see will appear. So that is why normally that's what we call right of way. So we are saying that wherever our line pass, that corridor, our line pass, you are expected to give a safe distance, which I also am going to tell you the distance you are expected to keep. So you are not expected to be near where our line pass, that we call right of way of power lines. That line, our line, they follow, they go. You see pole, for road. That is power line right of way. You're not expected to go closer to it. The government give a safe distance that you must give. But unfortunately, you see people treading under it, building living houses very close to it. That is what we mean by right of way.
Okay, we will still talk. We go touch this matter of right of way very well. But before we do that, make we look at bad habits, bad safety habits. Where people they do. Both indoor and outdoor. You fit identify some of those bad habits.
Okay. Let's start with indoor. Indoor means in an enclosed place.
Yeah.
Then some people, when they are wiring their houses, they use substandard wire to wire their houses. Some people also use naked hand, wet hand to go and touch wire. And they're not expected to be doing that. Some people overload the sockets. In a particular socket, you see they put fridge, they put television, they put iron, they put so many things, overloading a particular socket. And by the time you overload such, you are inviting explosion. Or the wires, like I said, if they are substandard, they start melting. And most of the times, people pass cables under the carpet. Thank God now that people are using ties. In the past, people are using rock, and you see people passing cable under it across to another end. And when those wire has melted, if it's overheated, maybe it's carrying a load that it's supposed not to carry, that wire will start melting and start burning. And by the time you meet any combustible material, what you mean by combustible material is anything that can burn. Those rock is a combustible material, paper, clothes, in a house is all filled with combustible material. So once those things are nearing where there is heat, excessive heat coming from the wire, fire will start. There will be explosion. Then also on the outdoor habits, like what we are talking about right of way, people build close to the line. They will see the wire transversing the corridor. You see people also building their house some people don't normally give safe distance. The government say you should give before you build your house. All the space government say you should give is right of way, both for power line, for water, for gas, everything. That's right of way. But you see people building close to it. You see people building structure, market women selling under it. These are bad habits, habits. You see people fiddling with our equipments. All this illegal, they call it NEPA 2. They go to our substations, they start changing line. Maybe somebody, one phase is down. They will go and meet those NEPA 2, they call it NEPA 2. The illegal electricians fill all over the community. Yes. They will go and start removing. In the process of removing that, an explosion can come. Or they overload a particular phase that everybody will come with, our light, the NEPA light is too low. This is a light, you know, if you carry anything. Because of people have overloaded that particular phase. So, and also, people parking their motor under power line. It's also a bad habit. You park your motor under the line. If the wire comes down, I've seen a video where wire cut and burn vehicles underneath, even kill people. So these are some of the bad habits that people are not exposed. Or you see, there's a rainfall around energized. Maybe there's a transformer, something flood. You start dipping your leg into it. You don't know whether there is any energized cable on the ground that will energize water. Once the water is energized, it becomes electricity. Once you dip your leg into it, the person will be electrocuted. So there are some of bad. So it was saying that when you see flood, it is not very advisable to always dip your leg. You don't know whether there is a substation that is exposed cable, that wire has submerged, water has submerged it. Once water has submerged, it will electrify the ground. And it becomes dangerous for people.
Let's look at ask you a question.
You don't talk plenty, and my body they ginger yourself. But before I ask my one or two questions, I would like make we call the phone line for our people waiting for us. We would like one chook mouth inside the conversation for today, because I know it's a very, very interesting convo. The number of ways you call us on top now is 081-001-30349. Make I call the number again for you now is 081-001-30349. Now the number be that if you call us for WhatsApp, no call SMS, even WhatsApp message, even voice note, we dey get it back for you anytime. So waiting me I could just ask, just to follow up on on your this your flow of thought. I beg, as you say, you just throw those grammar for us. Maybe they use our local pidgin self. They use them follow up the matter. You know the matter now, Baba. So my question now be say, waiting be the you don't talk the other dangers, you know, way safety things where people bad habits. Waiting be the common danger with the for when people they build under power line under electrical poles, you know, and all that.
Yeah.
Tell us down.
Some danger where they for people where they build close to our power line. That's what we call right of way. There is a danger of electrocution. What I mean by electrocution is somebody don't qua. I've been waiting to call them for you.
You don't die. You don't die.
There is also danger of electric shock. That is the one that will give you opportunity to speak, to say what electricity have done to you. Maybe you didn't die, but it has, it has affected your system. Then another one is fire outbreak. When this wire come down, anything around it, the fire will start, because that's what we call relay in our substations, in just substation. If that relay fail to activate, maybe it is faulty, it didn't activate, which means once wire come down, anything beneath it, anything under it, they are in trouble. Trouble of electrocution, electric shock, fire, and flash, explosion. These are the things that fire will happen when you go under or close to right of your power line.
Okay, follow up to what you just talk now. As you don't take touchlight the matter on the kind hazard and accident which happen when you build under power right of way. Now I want to ask, what make people do and what make them not do when we get electrical accidents? What are the things you think people should face? What are the first steps of things people should do? And what are those things where we say if any electrical accident happen, no even do and people go like no?
Okay, like in a local person who doesn't have knowledge of electricity, once there is electrical shock or electrocution somebody, you see them going to grab to save the person. By then they're endangering themselves. That's why you see places, you see one person die, somebody want to remove it. We have seen news like that a mother wanted to go and save the daughter and they died in it. So once you see somebody that has been
electric shock,
you are not expected to go near and use bare hands. There is a way. First of all, you can call, if it is in the house, you go and switch off the division board. That's what you do first. But some people don't do that. They will start to rush to go and hug the person, and the person will just go in. So first of all, go to where you have your switch, where your light coming. Go and switch it off and make the house dead. You have disconnected the light. Now you can then use something like plastic or wood that is not wet to drag that wire off from the person, or use a dry cloth to bring the person out like this. So why I'm saying that is that when you have isolated or put off the light, you don't know whether there is any other source. I don't know. Some people in some houses use double feeding in their places illegally, which is very wrong. I
bet this matter of double feeding makes you break and down, make people understand.
Okay, double feeding is now a customer. There's a transformer, two transformer in your place. You connect light from this transformer to your house. You connect light from this transformer to your house. That's double feeding.
Because we want the gas supply.
Yes, all the time. They go switch to this one. So that's very dangerous. Or some people connected from two feeders. Feeder that feed a substation. There are two. They will go as if they are closed feeders. They will connect from this one, so that they will have 2-4 supply, which is very dangerous. So most times that's what some customers do, that will normally tell them that it's very wrong, because even our personnel are at danger when they want to work in such a place. They will not know that there is a supply from another place. They think that maybe you have isolated it. So that's the first thing they will do when there is incident like that. They need to make sure that they put off the light before they can try to rescue the person and take the person and carry out what you call CPR, first aid, and run the person to the nearest hospital.
Baba, thank you well. You talk well, and I know some people for us they ginger with all these plenty things where you don't throw down for us. You don't put plenty like inside the old dark corner for this matter. Hey, our people for us, if they enjoy the matter, you want put out inside this topic where we talk for inside studio today. The number where you go call us on top, no change. Now still 081 001 30349. Make I call out for you one more time. Is 081 001 30349. Now the number be there. Call us for WhatsApp, normal call, SMS, WhatsApp message, even voice note. We dig it back for you. For yeah.
Make I take you back to this matter of bad habits. We don't see situation before where person go say who want adjust TV antenna. The antenna go touch power line. You know, voila happen. We don't get a story of a carpenter where then the roof, you know, and then they so close to power line, they go touch power line, you know, big can happen. What you go talk to this kind of thing?
Okay, you see that one of antenna. Yes, I've experienced it when I was a safety officer years back in Apapa. Do you know how that thing happened? When some people collect light, the wire, that service wire they use to collect light, some of them are join open joints. Open joints. All those wire, they are not standard wire. They don't join them. And that in the past all over their roof. Resting on the roof, and you know say their roof na zinc. It's a metal. So that thing pass through, energize the zinc. The roof don't electrify. Now you see the pole, iron pole. You know they only put to make it rest on the wall. So as the thing there like this, it don't energize that pole. So when that person touch it like this, that's what the thing there. So that is so what we are saying in that instance that people should change their wire, buy good insulated wire. Reclaim wire, that one they good. You know, get join. But people will go buy join, and they go and collect light, and such things will energize the building. And the building you are talking about, the pole is fixed very close to the body of the wall with the zinc, and it energize. That's what caused that one. Then on the issue of the other
of carpenters.
Yes.
Okay.
Carpenters.
Okay. They talk. Okay.
My question be say, I want to know whether all the consumers where they use the same transformer, they be there for two different bands. So for our own transformer here, some people they put there for band A, some people they pay for band B. The same transformer, the same feeder. So we want to know whether this one a mistake from EKDC office or whether a computer mistake. We want to know a bit. Thank you.
The only problem is the man no can talk where in the send us message from. So we no go know. And okay, Alafia wish is okay. It's all fit not be under EK. This
depend on the because is on the other side. One side is the Mushi side.
Anyway, answer the question.
Okay, that one is a wrong mapping. That's what we call mapping of feeders and DTs. So it is just a human error. Because somebody automatically, once you are in a feeder, all of you are supposed to be in the same band. Because all the band are classified feeder by feeder. So there's no reason why somebody using, except if they are not using, they might be very close. They might think that they are the same feeder. I don't know. But it is that need to be verified to know whether they are actually in the same feeder. Because some feeders are very close. That what demarcates them, I've seen where two feeders they like this. So but they're close to the community. You think say this person is my feeder.
You don't talk on before say two close feeders people they feed from.
Yes, so it can happen. So but if it is from the same feeder, I believe it's a human error in the mapping, doing the mapping of that band. Okay. Which can be corrected.
Okay, make we talk about say this safety issue. It is season related. It gets some kind of safety issues where they happen for dry season. It gets some where we say then they happen for rainy season. I bet wetin you go talk about
particularly where that danger is very high is during rainy season. During rainy season, a lot of wind will come, thunder strike, and most times when this thing is happening, it can disrupt our supply. In the case, it can cause any fault to develop at that time. Develop like wire can snap at that material time, and that is why we normally tell people not to stay under the line even when there is windstorm. Even when you're on the bus stop, you're not expected to stay under the line, under power line, because that time you don't know when the thing goes struck. And also, like I said, during the rainy season, you're not expected to put your leg inside water anywhere where you see flood. You can dip your leg inside water. Like I said, if there is any naked wire around that place through the transformer substation, you can energize the ground, and anybody that dips leg there, it can cause electrocution. So, and during rainy season, you're not expected to do electrical work outdoor. Outdoor to go and start connecting, because electricity and water not be friend though. They not be friend at all, because once your body is wet and you go touch electricity, now why you go require the person though, so the person go die. So that is why during rainy season it is most advised. Even our people will tell them that during the rainy season don't walk, because the post will be very wet, everything will be wet. So when you contact the two, it will cause electrocution. So that's why we don't want to. But in the time of dry season, it is far better than this, but the only thing we face during dry season is this illegal tapping of electricity. They do it often during the dry season, because the weather is free for them. They climb the posts anyhow. They use even aluminum ladder to walk, which can conduct electricity. All those things are bad habits that can cause accident.
Okay. Make we talk about waiting. When if I notice say person they do right of way violation, I feel do anything about it. If me as a person, if I notice this person we are in the building in house, this one it go pose danger to everybody, to himself and to everybody. Waiting me as a person fit to do about that one.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for that question. You see, it's a very good one. We have been campaigning, telling community. We normally have community engagement, town hall meeting, where we tell people that if you see anybody building very close to our line, please come and report to us, so that we can. That's what government asks us to do. When we see somebody building around or under our line, then the government asks us to serve the person letter. Serve a warning letter that this thing you are doing.
Okay, so just hold your
mouth. We have to know that we are FM. Organo Padre and everybody's Osam. I agree to now. Yes, the matter will concern me for this when I talk. We say for the area we are there for our Papa Jebule. NEPA they serve us two bills. And we don't talk for this matter. When they started serving this second billing, then they now 5,000. Suddenly now, the bill that second billing now, it don't be equal amount with the normal bill that they give us. Yes. One time they claim say they want to can give us the prepaid meter. For how long person will pay before he go see the prepaid? No shark. From our jubilee.
Okay.
Anyway, the prepaid meter experts are not here, and I think we normally have a program that will treat your question. That's why we always come here every Wednesday for enlightenment. So the people that will answer that question will also be on this radio. In the
for that Oga, no worry. We don't take your message. We don't take the number down. We go finally reach out to you after the program to take touchlight your matter where no worry about that. We go reach out. So ABC, we know say time no be our friend.
Time no be our friend.
Fly already.
We no go. Time no be, and we won't take message from our sponsors before we no go fit. We no go fit continue for this matter. But we know say the little way you don't talk, our people don't learn. And
of this one no be little again.
And of course now, anytime you day, EKDC day there for our people. Anytime where we need one talk, we need to talk about safety matter, we go call again and you go answer us. So we want to say a very big thank you to Mr. Cletus Onyeuko, the HOD, Air Safety and Environment of EKDC, and a very big thank you to everybody who has made today's program a success. And okay, before we round off, Steph, we say maybe we go ask we go ask our guest.
Yes, so one just on the final note for our guest, you could just find way use close up for our people. Your take home word for our people first, and then make we know your take home word for our people. Waiting make you as you wrap the whole program up.
Waiting I go tell our customers is that don't tamper with electrical facilities so that you don't get injured. So all the thing I tell you, please make on a try do to be safe. Thank you.
Okay, so we have already thanked you, and we have already thanked everybody who has made today's program a success. That's not the size of our program for today. Next week, now another time, now we will go meet. You know. My own name na Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke. Spoker.
Nothing much for me. Like I said, like I already talk. If you see something, say something. David O'Reilly, my name.
Power Connect Show, enhancing the value of power for users. Introducing a new and improved experience. We are upgrading our system to deliver a faster, smarter, and more seamless service experience for you. With this enhancement, you will enjoy improved access to your energy usage, convenient self-service options, and a more reliable, user-friendly platform. As part of this upgrade, EKDC will also be launching a customer mobile app designed to give you more control. With the app, you can enjoy remote vending, monitor your energy usage in real time, purchase units with ease, and access innovative solutions anytime, anywhere. Better visibility of your energy consumption, easier service management, and an overall improved experience. We remain committed to delivering a more efficient, transparent, and customer-focused service. EKDC, empowering quality of lives.